Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to hide the following list in your TikTok. No one will be able to view your subscriptions. To do this, you open the app and go to your profile. Then you open the account you want. Click on the three bars, then select Privacy, and here you find the item following list. Click on it, and here you can choose different parameters. If you select Everyone, then your subscriptions will be available to everyone. If you select Only Me, nobody will see them but you. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.